Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You need admin rights. Once signed in, act now. Press the Windows key, type Create a Restore Point, and hit Enter to open System Properties. Make sure you are on the System Protection tab. This is where Windows lists drives and protection status. You're starting the direct path to disable restore points, not tweaking settings elsewhere. If a prompt appears, Consent to User Account Control. This confirms you can change protection settings and prevents accidental lockouts. Select the system drive, usually C, and click Configure. This displays current disk usage for restore points and the actual toggle to disable protection. Choose Turn Off System Protection. Windows will warn that restore points will be deleted. Confirm by clicking Apply, then OK. This step removes automatic snapshots, freeing space and stopping future restore point creation. Once done, note that you cannot roll back system changes unless you re-enable protection and create a fresh restore point. Apply and OK finalize the change. Close System Properties and verify the drive now shows off. If prompted to delete existing restore points, accept to reclaim disk space. If Windows rejects the change, make sure you used an elevated account, restart and try again. As a troubleshooting tip, run command prompt as administrator and use sfc/scano to repair system files that might prevent configuration changes. Make sure to re-enable protection later if you need system recovery capabilities.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.